Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the source text and choosing a tool that matches your needs. If you want speed, use a web word cloud generator. For control, open Python and install word cloud. Once done, clean the text lightly. Remove stop words, trim repeated punctuation, and fix common misspellings so frequencies reflect meaning. Make sure to decide whether to preserve case or merge words. This affects counts. Now move the cleaned file into the tool, or prepare it in a string variable to begin generation. Next, you configure how the cloud will represent word importance and look. Start by choosing tokenization and optional stemming so related forms count together. This clarifies frequency. Then set min frequency and max words to focus the visual on meaningful terms. Once those are fixed, pick a shape, orientation limits, color palette, and font to match the message or brand. While tweaking, preview, and iterate, small changes to thresholds or color map can reveal different insights about your text. Finally, export your cloud in a suitable format and verify readability at intended size. If you need edits, remove outlier words or refine the stop word list, then rerun with a different min frequency to rebalance prominence. For reproducibility, save the script or parameters used. If things go wrong, check encoding and tokenization first. Unexpected dominant words usually mean uncleaned artifacts or merged tokens. If layout fails, reduce max words or change the shape to avoid overlaps and rerun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.